Hi guys, my name is Mayuki and today I'll be showing you how to get outlines around your render or character in Photopea, which is really easy, so make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any suggestions, just join my server or comment down below. Let's get into it. So first you want to open Photopea, and you should already have render. You have to make a render first. So just open your render. This is the one that I made. I'm gonna be making a video over this, or like a different character. But yeah, I would put down a background. Wait, let me get there real quick. Okay, so let's say I want to use this background, and you have your render, you have everything you need, and first you're gonna want to make this character lighting a bit better. So you're gonna go to image, adjustments, levels. You can change like the different, see, like over here, this part is more since the skin tone is more of a white color in the original avatar, you can make it lighter so it can match the actual avatar, and you can also make it darker for if you want the shadows to show more. And just click on OK after you're done. So then after that you can go to your render, right click, and go to blending options. When you go over there, you're going to be left with this screen, and just zoom in a bit so you can see the strokes. Okay, so the first stroke will always be black, and you're gonna go to over here where it says blend mode and change that to overlay. Okay, so when you have the black stroke like this, you're gonna increase the size just a little bit. I recommend doing 5. And just turn it down a bit so we don't see it as much. And then you're going to press on the add sign next to the stroke and increase this number like however much you want, and increase the opacity and turn this back to normal. So you should see that we have made an outline around the character, and you want it to be a white color like this, and you don't see it as much, so we're going to increase the size a bit more, and there you can see it much better. Turn down the opacity a little bit, and you can add as many strokes as you want. It just like depends on what kind of scene you're doing, but if I were to add another one, I would choose a different color. Like I would try out different colors to see which one will suit it the best. And I always like to put it to overlay and turn this to 14, or like make it bigger. See, like this. It won't show as much, but it still makes the character better. And yeah, that's it. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next, or join my server. So that way, if you guys need any help, you can ask any questions. And this is how you should look. Thank you for watching. Bye!